2upper in C++ converts a character to uppercase. Let's set up some code so you can see the functionality of 2upper. We will have a char array of 5 characters. So chars square bracket 5 equals the array containing lowercase a, uppercase A, hashtag, the number 1, and the null terminator. Next, we will loop over these characters. So, for in I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. On each run of the loop, we will convert the given character to uppercase. Chars square brackets I equals 2upper of chars square brackets I. Outside the loop, we print out the char array like it is a string. If we actually ran this code, you would get this. Lowercase a would get converted to uppercase A, but capital A, hashtag, and the number 1 remain unchanged. That is because 2upper only manipulates cased characters that are lowercase. Like and subscribe to learn more.